What's good, y'all? My name is Jesse Chan and welcome back to my channel. And for today, we not only have one, but we got two sneakers to unbox. Now, these shoes came in about a week and a half ago and released 2 Saturdays ago on the, what was that day? It was, about 2 Saturdays ago, on the 16th, or maybe it's even 3 weeks. Oh shit! Yeah, they released 3 weeks ago. Dang, time flies. But anyways, let's get to it. Put this one down first. Oh, safety first. You gotta cut forward. You cut your back before you cut yourself. Alright. So, receipt from Adidas.com. Can you guess what it is? Can you? Here it is. Ooh, I love the black box. They need to keep this. As you can see, take a look. Ooh. Well, damn. Take a look. This is the Whiteout NMD R1 mesh. Back. So, ooh, it's gray. Oh, it's white. Ooh. Take a look. These actually look kind of different than what I expected. I thought it was actually would be more tan, but it is actually legit white. And take a look, they got a whole bunch of text on there. I think that is. I think it's Japanese. Yeah, it's Japanese. It's Japanese. So English. Yeah. I think that's actually Spanish. Is that Spanish? What else? I don't know it. This is getting crazy, guys. I have too many of these NMDs now. Yeah, to the second sneaker. Adidas receipt. Same box. Sorry about that. No, it is not a double up. God damn it. Stupid cam. No, it is not a double up. It is the Blackout this time. I actually like these ones are better. Black. These actually look better than the Whiteouts. Take a look. Yeah, it fucking up today. Really fucking up today. Making all kinds of fuck ups today. Stay put, dumb it. Alright. Go. Alright. So we have the Blackouts. And we have the Whiteouts. So let me know which shoe do you like better. Sorry about that, my video cut out. Do you like the Blackouts or do you like the Whiteouts? Whoop! I told you, man. Fucking up all types of shit today. Let me set this up. So, let me know. Which one do you like better? Let me know which one do you like better. I personally like the Blackouts better. I think the black ones actually look better ones. Not a really fan of the Whiteouts. But who knows? Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. For once, I don't think the white shoes look as good as the black shoes. If anything, I think I might actually return the white ones, keep the black ones. Unless one of you guys want to buy the white ones. If you want to buy the white ones, comment below, let me know. Or we can do a trade. I'm down to do a trade. These are both size 12. I'm open to anything, and just let me know. I actually do like the print. I was very skeptical about the print to begin with, but after looking at it, I'm very fond of the print. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. See you guys the next time.